Welcome. This tutorial is specifically for principals enrolled in our Effective Principals Training Program. And this is to assist you with uploading your action plan. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to My Courses or your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see the courses in which you're enrolled in. If you have accessed our Aspirant Principals program or coaching program or Bursaries program, you would have already had access to the system, and those courses would have been here under My Courses. Currently, this person who I'm logged in as, is a participant only of our Effective Principals Training Program and a part of Cohort 15. These steps also apply to future cohorts and for previous cohorts, going back as far as to Cohort 11. So if you're part of Cohort 50, this is the steps that you take. You're going to click on the Effective Principals Training Program and your cohort, which is this. In this case, it's Cohort 15. You're going to scroll past EPT module resources. You're going to scroll past other resources, scroll past module activities, and come to action plan upload. You're going to click on LDAP assignment. At any time during this video, you may pause if you are not following, or if I'm going ahead of you. You may pause the video and continue at your leisure. When the page loads up for LDAP assignment, you're going to click on Add Submission. When this page loads, you're going to, if you're familiar with the drag and drop method, you can do it in the following ways. Open a window and drag and drop in the space, specifically for a file. You see a file is dragged and dropped. Otherwise, you may click on the file upload link or the add link. Click on this icon here, choose upload a file, choose your file, select the file you wish to have uploaded, click on open, click on upload this file, and the file should be here. Next, you will click on save changes, and it will say draft. It's in draft stage, not submitted, or grading status, not graded as yet. And then you can click on submit assignment. Once you're done, you click on submit assignment and it should go through. For in this purpose, I'm going to remove this, as this is not the participant's actual assignment. Nothing was submitted, so now I can click on cancel. So this person still has their chance to submit, as it says submission 1. I will reset this participant's account as soon as I'm done. So Mr. Clear, no need to worry. So once you've submitted, you will be able to see course administration and see your grades. So you click on grades. Again, if you're having issues keeping up, you may pause at any time you feel and then continue when you're ready. So you will see here that it says there's no feedback because there's no uploaded assignment. So once you've uploaded your assignment, it will show you a feedback once one is ready, and you will be notified via email once that has been done. Thank you for your time. Once you're finished, you can click on log out and you'll be done. Thank you again, and I do hope you have a successful submission, a successful time of year. Thank you.